How to make a video slow motion on iPhone. Now if you want to convert a video which is a normal video which was not even clicked in slow motion, but you want to make it slow and convert it to a slow motion video, for that we're going to use the application iMovie. So if you haven't installed it, make sure to reinstall it from your app store and just launch the iMovie app and tap on continue. Just allow any permissions that it allows right here, and once done, just allow it. Now under start new project, go to the option that says movie out of the three options. Then from there simply select a video, then tap on create movie. After you do that, you'll find that particular video here. Tap on the video and you'll find many options. One of the options is a little speed or timer like icon. So when you tap on it, out of here you'll be able to adjust the speed. So if you slow it down, now you can see that the regular video will be converted into a particularly and fairly slow motion video. And once you adjust that one and you're satisfied with it, now you can go ahead and tap on done option, and then you can export that video. That's all it takes for you to make a video slow motion on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.